How to not be needy with guys. Hello ladies and welcome to this YouTube channel. Love Advice TV is here for you. My name is Alex Comment. And in this video, we will talk about breakup because this is the topic of Love Advice TV, but also attraction in general. How to not be needy with guys, with your ex. How to stop pleasing them and forgetting about your needs, about yourself. Listen to this video, make sure that you implement the actions, and you have to smash the like button, and I want you to subscribe to Love Advice TV, amazing community of coaches and of you men, women that wanted to get results in your love life. The question that I received on Instagram, thank you again, it is always, Alex, I don't want to be needy and I want to stop being needy with guys, but I realized with my ex that he decided to break up with me, that it destroyed me, and so I am needy. What can I do? The first thing that you need to understand is that it is not your fault. It is not your fault because we received the education from Walt Disney, from Hollywood, from the society, that when we are in a relationship, we need to be involved. And for you ladies, it's about giving. You need to please a man. You need to give him attention. You need to give him love. You need to make sure that he's always happy. And so you will be a good wife. The problem is, because of this way of thinking, we tend to be a little bit of, you tend to be a little bit of a mother. You tend to give too much. You tend to be too much involved and you don't get the results back. You don't get more attention, you don't get more respect, you don't get more love. And so that is the moment for your brain. Listen to that because this is very important. That is the moment for your brain where you don't get results. So you tell yourself, or your brain is telling you, you have to do more. When I, as a relationship coach, I am telling you, hey, you have to do less. If you are distant, if we use the no contact, if we don't respond fast, if we make sure that we focus on ourselves and we relaunch the reattraction, that is what will make a guy value you. But the problem that I just realized is that it is different for your brain. You give, you don't get the results. You continue to give and give and give. This is the way we are framed and this is the way we will act. But this is the reason why you will not get results. So step number one, you need to realize that the moment you never get what you want, you stop. We stop for a couple of days. Let's say that we will stop for 7 days. And stop doesn't mean that we don't respond when a guy is engaging, but it means I will never initiate. I'm telling my brain, hey, stop wanting me to do the first step. And you would stop being needy. You would start getting the right mindset to stop being needy with guys. Because remember what I'm telling you, you become needy because you don't get what you want, so you amplify the efforts. You will do more when you should do less. That is step number one. Step number two, we have to accept something, you and me. Because what I will tell you now is not what I want to tell you. It's not what I like. It's not what is good for me. It's actually very much the opposite of what I want to say. So, we have to accept, you and me, that in our society, 50% of men, 50% of men are sensational. Meaning they are avoidant, independent, they are looking for a challenge, they want a woman that is on a pedestal. Nobody told you that before. Nobody. Nobody knew that there is people, human being, they are not looking for the fairy tale. They are not looking for the Walt Disney relationship. They are looking for, I need to chase her. I want her. How can I please her? When a man is not thinking like this, it will, by definition, take you for granted. Where are we going like this? Nowhere. Nowhere. But when I talk about it in coaching, women will respond to me and say, but Alex, this is not what I'm taught to do. Was not what I was supposed to do. Because they don't realize that some men, there is men, and if you look at your girlfriend's situation, you will tell me, but Alex, look, my friend, she has a boyfriend, husband, he's nice, he's sweet, and he loves spending time with her, and he doesn't have to spend time with himself. This guy is different from your guy. Let's be honest here. And that when I realized that there is so many men that are sensational, meaning that they need to be driven by this excitement to attract you, you stop being needy. You stop being needy because you recognize that this is not what they want. It's very simple. If you are on a diet and I'm here to give you a burger, will you take it? The answer is no, you are on a diet, but I'm providing you the food and you're hungry. Yeah, but it is not what I want. Right? Same thing in love and relationship. I want a woman that is a pedestal. That's why when I meet women, I'm so excited. That's when this guy met you, don't tell me that he was not the one chasing you. Don't tell me that he was not the one calling you, asking you out, and basically being the one doing things. Why are you needy now? Because you told yourself, because of the society, you told yourself something that changed everything. What is it? It's very simple. What is it? What do we tell ourselves? We tell ourselves, I need to give back. If I want him, because he have done all of this, I need now to give back. The problem is actually the opposite. He gives all of this because he wanted to, because this is what he's looking for. So if you start to tell yourself, I will give back, all of this will become this little, very, very, very little, because you will act and he will tell himself, this is not what I signed for. I didn't sign up for this. I signed up for you being a challenge. So if you want to stop being needy, you need to accept that most of the men that you will meet, they want you as a challenge. And I have a very special video specifically on this topic. It is in the description box right below. How to accept that 50% of people are sensational and how to become a challenge. How to make sure that men will see you on a pedestal. They will see you like this beautiful treasure that they need to fight for. You will be the prize, I promise. So watch it. The video is in the description right below. You click on it and you access this private video. It's not on YouTube, not on the website. I tell you, you have to enter your email and join my community for you to view and watch this video. But tip number 1, it is very important for you to accept the idea to receive. Tip number 2, you need to make sure that today you will be on a challenge because this is what they are looking for. Tip number 3, if you want to stop being needy with men, if you want to stop giving too much, if you want to stop calling your girlfriends crying on the phone and saying all men are so stupid. No. If you want to stop this, you have to make the attraction longer. What does it mean exactly? Let's talk about breaking up. I've coached a woman, amazing woman from Germany. She told me, look, Alex, we were in this very, very powerful relationship for a couple of weeks. And this guy just left me without news for 5 days. And I was so stressed, I didn't know what to do. That's why I'm calling you. And I told her, you know why? Because he doesn't want a relationship. Not yet. He wants attraction. So I want you to write to him, forget that it's been 5 days, and create a funny moment, a funny message. Something that is completely different than what you would do usually. She did it. She sent a nice message, funny jokes. She also added a picture of her day. And this guy was like, I'm so sorry, I should have given you news, but I'm a little bit scared to be in a relationship. I want to take things slow, but I really want to see you. What did she respond instead of being needy and say, I love you, I want to take things slow? I told her, you have to be a challenge. So she responded, I completely get it. it's time for you to plan the next dates with a smiley, that was just having a big smile. What is going on in this case? Instead of being needy, you will make the attraction longer. Instead of being needy and thinking relationship, you will think about push and pull and let me get this guy fight for me. Let me get this guy show me his value, right? So basically, there is a name for that I call the principle of reversion. Reversion in the sense that we will reverse the situation. Instead of us fighting and fixing the relationship, no, we are making it longer. Let's attract each other. Let's discover each other. And if you tell me, but Alex, I've been married for 20 years, I cannot attract my husband. Yes, you can. It's all come down to a mindset. The way you look at someone, the way you talk, the way you enjoy your life, the way you challenge that person. This is the solutions for you to stop being needy. Because instead of thinking, okay, I need to fix the relationship, I need to please him, I need to give him back, you would just reverse that and say, okay, it's time for me to receive. It's time for me to make the attraction longer. It's time for me to basically enjoy the moment instead of putting so much pressure on my shoulders. And ladies, this 3 steps process, it's enough. You don't need to do crazy stuff. You don't need to, be too hard on yourself as well. It just have to be naturally that you would just change your mindset. And I want to help you with that, with the videos in the description just right below. I want to make sure that you would smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you want more videos like this, ladies, please tell me. Tell me, because I would love for you to understand the breakup situation, the relationship, what men want, and of course, how to be a challenge instead of being needy. When we reverse completely the situation, I can guarantee you that you will receive. I can guarantee you that men will respect you more and more. I will see you for our next video very soon, but please make sure that you come on withmyexagain.com. This is our website with tons of articles, and you can book a private coaching session, because I will be more than happy to be your relationship coach. I will be more than happy to be here to assist you and to show you what is possible. How can you talk to a man? How can you get him back? How can you make him commit? How can you make him having this fear of being in a relationship? Why? Because when a man has a fear of being in a relationship, it's because he is not in a position of needing to attract you. So it's kind of like for him, he's taking us for granted. And this is not okay. I will see you soon, ladies, but I will rely on you. I want you to be stronger. Take good care of yourself. Bye.